Hey y'all, so I want to know, the question is, my bad, I look a mess, I know, but it's been a long day, it's only 11 something, but where do you guys prefer for me to drop my spice? Do you want me to drop it here when it's live and ready for sale? Do you want me to drop it on Instagram, Facebook? Like, where do you want? If you're a supporter of me and you plan on getting my spice, which they're very limited, not very, but they are limited, but I made quite a few. My mentor advised me not to make like hundreds and hundreds, so I only made a few. A few as in, but let me know. Do y'all want first dibs? Should I go to Instagram, then here? What y'all want me to do? Let me know the tea. I have almost 10,000 subscribers here. I have 3,000 followers on Instagram. I have 600, I think, on Facebook. So let me know where y'all want me to drop the spice first. Again, it is a limited supply. If you planned on supporting me, please comment and let me know below. Also in this clip, I'm going to show you guys a couple variations of how I use my spice. The complete recipe to everything in this clip is already on my channel and they're very recent. So please don't come asking me, where's the recipe for this, and that. It's all on my channel and they're very recent. So yeah, bye guys. Seasoning, I'm using my own spice. I'm using a heaping tablespoon of it. This spice will be available at the end of this month through my website, and it will be available to you guys. The shrimp and allow it to sit and marinate for about 5 minutes. And we're also going to season the fish, and then we're going to start on the grits. All right, and now you want to season your fish. I'm using catfish. Do remember my spice is low in sodium. So if you're watching your salt, this spice is perfect for you. If you need more salt, you could add more salt. It's very versatile and it works across the board. I'm going to season my wings, however, with my spice. Usually I always go for about a tablespoon of spice to like a pack of chicken.